Mobibot 5-in-1 jump starter. Stranded with a dead battery? Never again. Imagine you are late for work. Turn your key in the ignition and your car won't start. Don't let a dead battery or flat tire ruin your adventure. The Mobibot 5-in-1 jump starter is your ultimate roadside companion. This isn't just a jump starter, it's a powerhouse. The Mobibot boasts a 2000A jumpstart capability, enough to revive engines up to 8.0L gas or 6.0L diesel. No more waiting for roadside assistance. It also features a 150 psi tire inflator. Keep your tires at optimal pressure for safety and fuel efficiency. Plus, a quick air pump inflates mattresses for comfortable camping. The Mobibot truly does it all. It combines a jump starter, tire inflator, power bank, LED light, and air mattress pump. This makes it an essential emergency car kit and camping tool. The integrated LED light illuminates dark situations. The power bank keeps your devices charged on the go. It's like having a portable garage in your trunk. Safety is paramount. The Mobibot includes short-circuit, overcharge, and over-discharge protection. Drive with peace of mind knowing you're prepared for the unexpected. One user, Erin, bought it as a Father's Day gift. She said her husband loved its versatility and ease of use. He was able to inflate a tire with a slow leak at home. With a 4.4-star rating, car owners trust the Mobibot. Another verified buyer, Rebecca, was amazed by the powerful pump. Her husband inflated all 4 car tires with ease. While most reviews are positive, one user noted a missing charger. Always check the contents upon arrival. Mobibot ensures you're ready for anything. Don't wait for an emergency to strike. Equip yourself with the Mobibot 5-in-1 jump starter. Click the link in the description to learn more and order yours today. Be prepared, be safe, and enjoy the open road. Please like, share, and subscribe for the best product reviews.